Have you seen the new villager in town? What's his name?
I think his name is...
Hey guys!
Well,
Guys!
Speak of the devil.
This is bad. The player that joined the server is the real Grox.
So, it's just another player. What's the big deal?
No, he's not just another player. He's different. He does unspeakable things to villagers. Unspeakable.
Yeah, right. Can you
Now,
believe
what
this
enough-
guy?
Wait, you have to listen to me. This is tragic. I tried to warn them of Grox the Destroyer, the slayer of villages, but none of them believed me. By the time I was trying to leave, he came.
Hey, listen up! Everybody lay down your arms! And I do mean that literally. Oh, I was just messing with you, but alright, bet! You're my property now, and you will do what I tell you or I'm gonna send you to the nether.
I told you about this guy, but you didn't believe me.
Whoa, what was that? Were you talking back to me?
No, I was saying that we were glad to elect you as our new leader.
No way, bro. We're gonna be best buds with that attitude. I'm gonna make you my #1 man. Now go make me rich.
Bro, what are we going to do?
Yeah.
Why are you asking me?
Because you're the one who knew this was going to happen.
Well, that doesn't mean I know how to get us out of this. We are in deep trouble right now. No one gets away from Grox alive. Now, this was actually a lie. There was one villager that did. Me.
So is that it then? Are we just going to die here?
No, that's not what I...
Yo, what's going on here? A family reunion? Chill. Is that my right-hand man?
Yes, I was just making these slackers get back to work.
Yes, sir. That's what I like to see. But you know what we do with slackers, right? I have a job for you. Yo, you see those villagers over there?
Yeah?
I'm gonna need you to take them out for me.
What? Take out my friends?
Do you have another suggestion?
No, that's okay. They will be punished.
Let's go! You're getting the hang of this. Hey, get back to work. Y'all know what happened to the last villager.
do?
Hey, you!
What? Me?
You're the guy!
Yeah, you're him. I'm who?
The guy who knew this was going to happen!
Yeah?
Come with us. We need to show you something.
I followed them into a tunnel that connected to a boarded house across the street, where they had a special meeting.
We need you to join the revolution.
Yes, the rebellion against Grox.
What? This is not what I expected. I was sent to kill these guys, but they want a revolution. The problem was, that was never going to work. It's failed horribly in the past, so how could it work now? No, I can't join you.
What?
Traitor!
What?
No, I can't join you because it will never work. But I have a plan that could.
Yo, what's taking him so long? I guess I'm gonna have to do it myself. Wait, huh? Yo, chill! Y'all can't burn down my village like that. Hey, villagers, enough mining. I'm gonna need y'all to build me a castle to rule in. Yo, I like the statue. It's fire, but it's way too small. You didn't make it bigger, my guy. Yo, watch this, watch this. Yo, this is looking bad for you, homies. It's alright, it's alright. I'm gracious. Yo, chill! Yo, my castle looking nice. Hey, you, fetch me some water, servant. I was just kidding. I am thirsty though. You, go fetch me some water. Hey, wait a minute. Where's my right-hand man at?
Alright, we don't have much time. He sent me here to kill you, but obviously that's not going to happen. There's no way a revolution will work. It has never worked before.
How do you know that?
Yeah.
I escaped.
What?
No way.
Here's what happened. He left me in a cage to rot and die, and just before he wiped out the entire world of entities, another villager broke me out. We ran away, and moments before he pressed the lever, we jumped into an unloaded chunk.
What?
How is that even possible?
It was the only way we can survive that kind of attack. And I say all this because the only way we will survive is through escaping.
Where my guy at? Hey, have you heard of Hakuna Matata? It means...
Nobody move.
Bro, I know you hiding. Where you at, homie? Yo, bro, where you at?
I think he's gone. Alright, here's what we're gonna do.
Aw, it's a little family. Have fun, guys. I just love baby villagers. Wait, that sounded... I bet! playground. Oh, yo, chill, little Johnny going down the slide. Oh, I bet. Wait, hold on. That house looks very suspicious.
Okay, does everybody know the plan? Alright, good. No turning back now. Now all we need is to...
Yo, chill. Hey, boys.
Oh no.